Okay, boys, welcome to your computer class. Today in computer, we are going to start our lesson 1.4, how devices are linked together. What is our lesson, boys? How devices are linked together. It is on page number 14, 12 and 13 of your computer books. So open your student books, page number 12 and 13, and get ready for the class. We are going to start our lesson 1.4. The name of our lesson is how devices are linked together. First of all, you are going to write date on the top of your page number 12. So in the last class, we have already discussed input and output devices. So today we are going to talk about how devices are linked together, okay? How they have connection together. Parts of computer first. So here a computer are of different devices. Some of them are internal and some of them are external, input and output devices. So like motherboard, sensor, this is all internal devices, and whereas the things that we can see on the computer, they are external devices. So let's talk about hardware. So on your book, there is the word hardware. What is hardware, boys? Different devices that make a computer. Different devices that make a computer. These devices can be input and the devices can also be output devices. So what is the definition of hardware, boys? Different devices that make a computer is called okay, we were discussing about hardware. So what is hardware, boys? Different devices that makes a computer. So when they connect each other, they make a computer. So hardware devices can be input devices. They can also be output devices. So central processing unit, mouse, keyboard, they all are hardware. Let's see here. You can see hardware and as well as output devices. These all are hardware. These all are hardware. See here, we have keyboard, webcam, scanner, and we have pen, we have mic, you can see printer, headphones, speakers, screen, monitor, you can say, or LCD, different types of printers. So they all are hardware devices. These devices together make computer hardware. So these devices are together called computer. Okay, here are some output devices. What are output devices? That gives us something out of the computer. So when we make a computer, computer is a combination of input and output devices. So we have printer, monitor, sound card, speaker, video card, we have printer, we have GPS location, screen projector, and headphone. So these all are our output devices. When we take anything from the computer, it is output devices. For example, speaker. Speaker, the sound comes out from the computer. When we connect speaker with the computer, speaker takes the information from the computer and gives us sound. So the sound coming from the speaker is our output device. Speaker is our output device. Same as printer, when we want to write a document in the computer and we click on print, printer prints the document for us. Okay, input devices. So input devices help our information, send our information to the computer. For example, scanner. When we want to send a paper to the computer, we use scanner. So the scanner is going to take the information from us and submit it to the computer. So mouse help us to point out, keyboard help us to type questions, write sentences and words, alphabets. Microphone help us to our voice to the computer. Like in my laptop, there is a microphone and from there you can hear my voice. So output devices can be anything. Paper, you can say sound, graphics. We have projector also. Projector shows a light. When we see a movie, putting projector, we can see the results. So in input, what we can do, we can send information to the computer. So output and input devices make our computer. And all these devices are hardware. What are these, boys? They are hardware devices. They help us to send information. Okay, now we are going to talk about wire and wireless. Wire and wireless mouse and keyboard. You can see now we have wired and also wireless keyboard and mouse. Wire, you can see here, there is a wire. We connect our computer with the help of wire. We need wire to connect, but wireless here. We don't need any wire. We need some signals with the help of USB port. We put this in the USB port and our computer is connected. So this, we have wired mouse and keyboard, and also we have wireless. So wireless has made our life much easier. Next, we are going to see wired devices. See, they are same headphones, but what is the difference, boys? Here we have wire, and here we don't have wireless headphones. You can say, you can connect them with the Bluetooth. So these are wire and wireless. They can connect with the computer with the Bluetooth using the signals. So this headphones we use wire, but this with the help of Bluetooth. Next, we are going to talk about computer network. We can connect our computer with the help of computer network. As you can see, take an example of internet, okay? All the devices in the home, they are connected with the internet. So how can we connect the devices with each other? So here are two ways to connect the computer with the network. First of all, it can be wired, and then it can also be wireless. Nowadays, everyone uses, most of the people, they use wireless connections. Here you can see the computers are connected with the help of wire, but here no wire, without wire. Here you can see all of these are wireless. They don't need wire to connect. They only need signals. With the help of Wi-Fi, we can use internet on our devices. We have desktop computer, laptop, tablet, mobile. All these are connected with the router without wire. They are connected with the help of Wi-Fi. So there are two things: wired computer. These computer network are consist of wires, and they are based off wireless computers. So you need wireless computer. So let's see two pictures, which is wired and which is wireless. First of all, see this. She is using computer with the help of wire, and this is wireless. This is wired keyboard, and this is wireless computer. The boy is using with the wireless system. He is using mouse and keyboard are connected wireless. They are keyboard and mouse are connected wireless. Picture A is wireless and picture B is wire. You can see. So this is your homework, boys. Draw a device that has touch screen. No, we already finished this. Okay. Your homework is, wait, I am going to your homework. I am going to send this sheet in the group now and try to solve this right now, okay? And I'm going to catch you in the next class. In